Hello everyone, welcome back in another engineering practical video. So when your laptop battery is not working well, so what you will do, you will go to the market and will replace it by giving huge money. So in this tutorial, in this practical video, I will tell you that how you can easily fix your laptop battery in home. So first of all, you will need to remove your battery from the laptop. Okay, then after that, inside this battery we have 4 cells. Each cells have 3 volt, so total volt will be equal to 12 volt. So you will need to remove that cells from this battery. It will be difficult to open this battery and remove this cell, but you will need to carefully remove this cell from this battery. At this region you should be very careful, because here you will get the terminals of the cells. So here you will get 4 cells. So this is 12 volt battery. So now we need to test each cell, that which cell is faulty, due to which my battery is not working well. So for this you will need to take a wire, okay, and short circuit the terminals of one cell. So if it spark, then it means that this cell is, otherwise your cell will be faulty. So now I am going to short circuit the terminal of each cell. So you see, in first cell it give me spark, and second cell it's not giving me any spark. So now let's check the third cell. Yes, third cell also give me spark. Now let's check the fourth cell. Yes, it also give me spark. So the second cell, let's check it again. So as you see, it's not giving me any sort of spark. So now let's check it through using multimeter. So it giving me 2 volt instead of 3 volt. This cell giving me 3 volt, this cell giving me 2 volt, this cell giving me 3 volt, and this cell also giving me 3 volt. So it means second cell is not working well. So what is the operation of this cell? So we will do a minor operation of this cell using the mobile charger. So the question is, why we are using the mobile charger? Because this mobile charger will convert my 220 volt supply into 5 volt. It will step down your voltage. So now what I will do, I will connect the terminal of this charger with the terminal of the cells. Why I am doing this? Because I want to charge this faulty cell. So you will need to connect the positive terminal of charger with the positive terminal of battery, and negative terminal of charger with the negative terminal of battery. So you will place it up to 1 minute, then after that your cell will get charged. Then you will assemble these cells in your battery case, and in this way, as you see, so now let's check it. My laptop is on, so it means that my battery is working well. So thanks for watching. See you in next practical video. Allah Hafiz.